This is a demonstration of the tailgate operation on 2017 Kia Soul Plus. The key fob is away from the vehicle. Vehicle is locked. If I attempt to open it, there is no acknowledgement on the lights on the vehicle, or the tailgate does not open. So now I'm going to go get the fob and bring it here to show you the operation in that manner. Alright, I now have the key fob here, and I'm just going to walk up to the vehicle, press the button, and it unlocks the tailgate. All the other doors are still locked at this point, and you should have noticed that the turn signals flash twice, and as I close it now, it should flash once. There we go there. Again, key fob here. Sometimes if you don't press it long enough, you'll have to press it a second time to fully disengage the latch. And I'll close it again. I'll walk the fob away and we'll see that it won't open. So once again, I have no key fob with me. It's on the other side of the garage. And we'll notice that it will not open. Pressing the button and there's no operation. So that's how it operates again with this 2017 Kia Soul Plus, the Brownstone Edition.